Lord Vishnu, the preserver of the universe, incarnates on earth whenever evil runs unchecked to restore worldly order. Of his 10 primary incarnations, called the Dashavatar, the second is the Kurma Avatar or tortoise. Let's see why. In the Satyug, the first of the 4 dharmic ages, sage Durvasa, well known for his short temper, once gifted a flower garland to Indra, the king of the Devas. He put it on Airavat, his elephant, which trampled it. Durvasa cursed Indra and the Devas to lose all their strength, making them vulnerable to their eternal enemies, the Asuras. When the Devas ran to Lord Vishnu for help, he asked them to churn the cosmic ocean to obtain Amrit, the nectar of immortality. He advised them to add medicinal herbs, use Mount Mandar as the stick and Vasuki, the king of the serpents, as the rope. But the Devas could not pull up the mountain by themselves. So they made a deal with the Asuras, promising them a share of the Amrit. When they started churning, under the pressure and pull, Vasuki spat out his highly potent poison, endangering everyone. Lord Shiva came to their rescue and swallowed the poison, which is why he is also known as Neelkant. As they continued to churn, the mountain began to sink. To help them, Lord Vishnu took the form of a tortoise or kurm and held the mountain on his broad back. Slowly, many wonders emerged from the ocean. Finally, a demigod named Dhanvantri surfaced, carrying the bowl of Amrit. The Asuras quickly grabbed it and took it away from the Devas, breaking their agreement. To stop the Asuras from getting very powerful, Lord Vishnu took the form of a beautiful maiden named Mohini and charmed the Asuras into letting her distribute the Amrit and to abide by her order of distribution. She served the Devas first, emptied the bowl before the Asuras got their turn and disappeared. Thus, by making the heavenly Devas powerful and weakening the devious Asuras, Lord Vishnu ensured that evil does not become too powerful and the order of the world is maintained.